This is an American business, Marlin Steel Wire Products, that's doing well already and very much looking forward to the stimulus package going through, Drew Greenblatt. Does it mean good things for jobs here in Baltimore?
Absolutely. It's going to have a direct relationship. What's going to happen is Americans are now going to wake up, get rolling again, and we're going to put this behind us.
And we're talking about the jobs, the guys who are here in Baltimore working on your products, but also, in a sense, you're giving business to overseas economies.
Absolutely. When we do well, we make wire baskets, we get more optimistic. We'll buy robots from countries that make robots. Like, for example, right now we're standing next to a robot that was made in England, in southern England, in Dorking. Adjacent to this robot that was made in England, there's two French robots. Behind me, we have Japanese robots. We have German robots. We're poised to buy a couple Italian welders in the next couple days. Last month, we bought a Canadian robot. So when we do well, we buy from foreigners, and it's good for all of us.
So a final thought, Drew. When people say, look, the stimulus is American taxpayers' dollars, it should be about American jobs. You see it as something a lot bigger than that.
Absolutely. It's the entire economy, not only of America, but of the world that I'm focused on.
Drew, thanks very much.
Thank you.